that occurred on Parnell Square on Thursday. I really would ask people to try and avoid connecting crime with migration. It's not right. Yes, of course, people who are migrants might commit crimes, just as people who aren't commit crimes. In a country of 5.3 million people, if you have hundreds of thousands of migrants, there are going to be a few of them who commit terrible crimes, just as there are people born and bred in Ireland who commit terrible crimes every day, including murders. And when I see what happened in Parnell Square, what I see is a suspect who is a migrant, although a citizen and somebody here for over 20 years. I see a 5-year-old child in hospital today, both her parents coming from a migrant background and her born in Ireland. And of the 5 or 6 people who intervened to stop the attack, 4 of those 6 are migrants to this country. It's totally wrong to try and make out that there's a connection between crime and migration based on what happened on Parnell Street. The alleged assailant, the victims, and those who stopped the attack.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
Most of them from a migrant background.